save energy. Hi, I'm Siobhan Moynihan. Today I'm thinking about energy. What a curious question, and what a great time for us to be considering, where does energy go? If it's never ruined, never destroyed, where does it go?
Owen is going to take it over, explaining
This is it.
how water has memory.
Water has memory. We drink water that was drank by animals before us.
Us. Thank you.
And why do people always tell us to shut off the lights to save energy? Energy is in every walk of life. Biologically or medically, when I was younger, I was diagnosed with ADHD, and my doctors and teachers always told me my motor was always going. So in the classroom, I had an excessive amount of energy. Also, environmentally, energy is a growing focus in the environmental studies with natural resources conservation, so conserving our outputs and using renewable resources such as sunlight, wind, geothermal. So there's this solar farm in Egypt that's almost at its completion, that's so big you'll be able to see it from outer space. That's another thing where energy is a big focus, is in astrophysics and in astronomy, in the study of the universe, in how energy makes up the universe, really. Where else is energy? Energy we know is in our food. When we feel tired, we say, eat a Snickers bar. You're not you when you're hungry. That's because you have a lack of energy. But for today, I'm asking you to do what I'm doing here, to teach your class about what you can relate to energy in a science educational short video. What did I get outside? Well, looks like I'll make a scientific educational video. So, you have the tools, you have the knowledge, and if you'll find out what you do know about energy and what you don't know about energy when you're recording these videos. And it's a learning as we go process. Yeah. I'm indoors again? Okay. So, one last notable mention to have in your mind while you set forth to for this assignment of creating a short scientific educational short video is kinetic energy of wind. If you ever have seen a pinwheel in somebody's backyard or your own backyard, if you've ever created one, you'll see that the kinetic energy of the wind creates potential energy of the pinwheel. And if the pinwheel powers something when it turns, that is a way to look at energy not being lost, but being conserved and changed.